Communists! They're communists! 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 Communists!
Say it ain't so, Joe. Say it ain't so.
Communists!
Whew.
Oh,
Jerry, is that you?
Oh.
Are you back?
wow.
Wow.
What
Well-
happened?
Well,
What happened?
Things have changed for Joe too. You know, there's
Wow.
only one person that I can have hope
Wow.
hasn't changed in heaven. The one person who is ultimate
Wow.
evil. Can you bring
What
me
happened?
Adolf Hitler?
Are you crazy?
Adolf
Adolf-
Hitler.
Oh, no.
I want
No.
Adolf Hitler.
Oh, no,
Yes.
that's a big donation.
You can do it.
That's
So
a big donation.
I'll
That's a
call
big donation.
on all
That's
my
a
sponsors.
big donation. That's a
Well,
big donation.
big donation
All right, I'll
is
try it.
possible.
Are we ready? Hey, Adolf, 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 Adolf,
Adolf. Herr Hitler. Is that you?
Maria? Is that you, Maria? Oh,
Well.
Maria, you still look as beautiful as you ever did.
Well, it's not exactly Maria, but you can imagine.
Your hair,
so.
your blonde hair, your Aryan hair, your blue eyes. Only Maria had the eyes and the hair like this. You
thank
look
you.
fabulous. I've had a very, very hard time.
Why? I mean, you of all people should dominate the afterworld.
I dominate the afterworld except for one thing.
What?
The Jews.
The Jews?
The Jews.
But I didn't think they went to heaven. Do they believe in heaven?
They believe in one thing.
What's that?
If you're not nice to them, they curse you. And
Wow.
there's an old curse that I learned many years ago from them. This is one of the reasons that I ate them.
What is that?
Is, gay Kim in a turd.
Gay Timon, a turd.
Right.
What is that? I don't know
May
German.
you
I'm sorry.
carry a Jewish turd in your hand for the rest of your life. I know.
that's
for the
horrible.
rest of my
Please,
life, I have to
please,
carry
put it over there.
this turd
Put it
with
over there,
me.
put it over there.
The afterlife.
put your hand
no,
over there.
you
Hand
don't
over there.
understand. I can't
Oh.
do anything with it. I can't put it in my pocket.
can't believe-
This is my heiling hand. If I go like this, Heil, it just stays right there. I Heil, and the Jewish turd is in my hand. This is a curse.
Well, don't
this is
shake
what they
hands
do.
with anyone.
This is why they always do this. They know that no matter what you do to them, the curse of the turns in the afterlife. Everybody wonders what happens in the afterlife to good people like me. This is what happens.
It's so unfair.
It's- oh.
I mean, you got a bad rap
You
here
get
on
used to
Earth,
it, but not the
and a
what.
bad rap there in the afterlife.
That's right.
I mean,
Look at this. It looks
you
like
were-
Wiener Schnitzel.
You were just
but it's
trying
not.
to
It's
make the
Turd
world
Schnitzel.
better for people like you and me.
It's Wiener turd, maybe. I don't know what it is even.
You love children and dogs.
I love children and dogs.
You were a good guy.
I never kicked a child or kicked a dog.
know.
I
And
kicked
look
a
what
lot
they've
of other
done to
people,
you.
though.
It's terrible.
Oh,
Tell me something, Herr Hitler.
What? Oh, you're sure you're not Maria?
Well,
You have a Maria quality to you that I like a lot. I wish I was an embodiment, but I'm not.
Oh,
I'm only a figment with a turd. I'm
Well,
a turdment with a fig. I don't know. What?
A fig.
What was the
Figs
question?
and turds. Well,
Pigs and turds. That's
do
what we
you?
have.
Well, since you're back, just
What?
for a few moments,
What?
do you have any advice for people who want to run the world?
Oh, yes. I do.
Yes?
Absolutely.
And what is that?
Don't
Don't. Why
run
not?
the world.
Why not?
Because it's just too much trouble.
Well,
The world, you're born, you try to run the world, and you die. It's that simple.
so you're telling me you regret?
What's the
do you
point?
regret it?
No, I only regret one thing.
What is that?
Not going to America to become an artist, to live with the Bohemians in Greenwich Village. In 1921, after the war, I had this opportunity to be an artist, to go live in Greenwich Village.
But what a different
it was
place
a
the world
wonderful
would be.
place. Oh, I saw pictures of it. There was an artist, and there were all these people having fun with the paintings and the making movies. And guess what happened?
What happened?
I didn't go.
But weren't all those artists communists?
There was no communists there in Greenwich Village at the time. They was Bohemians.
I thought they were
I-
communists.
and
you
the
know,
part-
Joe McCarthy says you're a communist. Did you
Joe
know that?
McCarthy
Do you know
says
Joe
I'm a communist.
McCarthy? Do you
Joe
know
Mc-
him? Do you know him?
That
You see
fat
him around?
cheese-eating Wisconsinite. Do you know what we say about him?
What?
We in the Bund say, McCarthy, you're a loser. You couldn't tell a communist from a fascist, from a socialist, from a pianist.
He did seem a little
he
paranoid.
knows nothing.
He did seem
He
paranoid.
knew nothing. He knew nothing.
true.
Let me tell you about somebody else. The worst person there.
Who's that?
The one
Who's
of
the worst
the
person?
worst person of all.
Who is that?
Everybody thinks, oh, the worst person is Marx. The worst person is Freud. The worst person is Jesus. All these.
Jesus? They think
They're all. Everybody thinks the worst. You know who the worst
Who is the
worst person is?
Who's the worst person?
Woody Allen.
Woody Allen, he's not
Woody
dead.
Allen.
Wait, he's not dead, is he? Is he dead?
This is something people don't know. In the last few years, Woody Allen,
He's dead?
he's
Wow.
so
No
he's
wonder he's getting terrible reviews.
terrible reviews. And
Huh. That explains it.
Stop already. And also, he is a Jew. And do you know what his curse will be when he finally
No.
goes to the afterlife?
What's his curse?
He eats Korean food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, you
It's
know,
true.
the afterlife sounds terrible. Can I avoid going there? Is there any way that I can stay out of the afterlife?
Yes,
Could you pull some strings for me?
you could stay out of the afterlife
Yeah?
for
How?
a while.
Yeah?
If
If?
you
Yeah?
what can
What? What? Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Oh, no!
turn. No, nach, Jungs,
Come back! Come back!
nach, Wedding,
Jerry,
nach,
come back!
nicht,
Come back! Come back! Come back!
mein
Come back!
nicht,
Oh my God! I thought we'd lost you. Are you there? Hello? Anybody home? I thought we'd lost you. Whoa! I don't know. This is terrible.
du essen?
Are you okay?
Wie geht's du essen? Ich mach du essen.
No. Come back. Come back. Come back. Wow. We almost lost you altogether to Adolf.
What?
Wow.
What happened?
You were Adolf, and believe me, it was not a pretty sight.
Oh my God.
You know, I don't know about this afterlife business.
I don't know, but we.
I mean, they're all ending up in terrible places. This isn't what I thought they would be
But we have to
deserving.
protect the afterlife. If we protect life before birth, if we protect life after death, we'll protect everything. But I don't know.
Can
I
we
feel
prevent it?
weak.
Can we prevent it? You know, I've decided after talking to all these men, I don't think I want to go to the afterlife.
Afterlife.
I want to stay here.
It's the only thing worth protecting.
I want to stay
The
here.
afterlife.
Where are you going to be in the afterlife? Where are you
Me?
going? Yeah.
Where am I going? I think first I'm just going to go for a nice cold drink. And then I'm going to go back to the chapel with that huge donation of yours. I'm going to go for 2 weeks on the Costa Brava, or the Costa del Sol, and just, I got to recover. This working in the afterlife is brutal.
Well,
We have to protect it, but we have to learn to control the afterlife.
I think that's the answer. Something's seriously wrong with the afterlife. And I'm going to join you and join forces, and together we can make the afterlife the kind of place that we want to be caught dead in.
A place we will be caught dead in.
Well, someday, but hopefully not too soon. So, thank you for joining us. We hope to see you next time, and maybe we'll see you in the afterlife. I'm Ann Blamter. Goodbye.